So I'm actually going to be riding this pit bike to the shop, and then we're going to be taking the big bike to the sand dunes. Sure is. Just gotta adjust this a little bit. That looks better. Okay, so you guys might not be able to hear me this entire time. You're probably gonna hear, oh no 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 no. You're probably just gonna hear my muffler because it's modified and it's really loud. So yeah, here we go. Oh, shoot! Too high of a gear. Shoot! Oh, I'm lucky I didn't fall over. Oh my gosh, it's giving me the gear problem. But still, Hondas are better than Yamahas. You just can't get wrong with that because Hondas, they don't break down every 5 milliseconds, so... You're holding the clutch for this one. find a better way to hold down the camera. This duct tape ain't doing it. Oh, there we go. The video is going to be crooked, but I can always fix it in editor. So guys, I actually got off my ride a while ago, but I had to do some chores for my mom. You might be wondering why the video cut right there. My phone died, and I actually on 16% right now. So I should probably stop filming, but I need to fill you guys in. And yeah, that's pretty much the soundtrack that me and my brothers found. This Christmas I'll probably ask for a GoPro or a Potato PC to edit and make videos because CapCut is confusing. But yeah, thanks for watching.